Sara Pezzini, Maureen Logan, Itsu, Elektra, Red Sonja, Silver Fox and Wolverine fell in love in the early 1900s and lived together in the Canadian Rockies. On Wolverine's birthday, she was presumed slain by the hands of Sabretooth. Years later, they would be reunited, only to have Sabretooth finish the job he started. Rogue, Mystique, Domino, Mariko Yashida, Jean Grey, Storm.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.